Okay, so just gonna recap what happened last week and as of yesterday, Friday, January 15th, for the XLE. Now let's go to the daily. And we recently tested the highs. We closed under it. We didn't really test on the weekly. We need to test the the bars set on June 8th with a high of 46.88. Basically, I think we'll hit that next week. And we'll see if it closes above it on a weekly. By the end of the week, if it closes above it, it could go higher. It might just be trying to close this gap over here, which is $54.14. But then again, like I mentioned, this is manipulation by the Fed. So when the change of the president occurs and the Feds stop their investment policy, they might let this drop. And as you can see from the XLE, when it was at 55. It took just a month to go from $55 to 22.88. So it can drop very quickly. And I'm very confident that we'll get down to lower lows. It's just a matter of when they'll let the markets do what markets need to do. Just let the market forces take play, and then we'll go back down there. So just to show you my positions, this is where I currently stand. I've taken out a significant amount of money from previous in the past, and reinvested and so on and so forth. So basically what I'll do is, as we get, and I'll show you my alerts. This is, I'm looking for a test of 46.88 to close above it. And we'll see what it hits when it hits there. And basically, when it gets to that point, I'll buy more ERY. I'll rebalance my portfolio from ERX to ERY, and then we'll play it basically from a time frame fundamental perspective. I'm looking for Biden to take office. So yeah, that's really the next price target. It's 46.88. And also from a bear perspective, if it closes below 42.08, if it closes below 42.08, then maybe it's a signal that it's starting to really come down. But I think it'll test this 46.88 before it does that. Okay, so that's my position. Essentially, I'm just going to wait till it gets to that 46.88, move money out of ERX, put it into ERY, and wait for the chips to fall. I'm pretty confident it'll go down to the $24 mark, $23.57 mark, like I mentioned in the past. All right, and that's my situation. Happy trading.